So we know from our rounding rhyme that if it's 5 or higher, you add one more. So this could round to 70 if it rounds up. And then if it's 4 or lower, you just ignore. So you don't change this number, you just kind of ignore it and keep it the same. So it could round up to 70 or down to 60. What some of my friends like to do is say that it would be 50 to 70. They think this number is going to round down and go to 50. But if I think about that, 50 to 70 would have 20 hops in between, and we're rounding to the 10, so there should only be 10 hops. And if you're not sure what I mean by that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because I've got 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hops because you're rounding to the nearest 10. So now I want you to take a second and see if you can figure out where 67 would round to. What would be the nearest 10? Now if I look, it's 3 hops away from 70. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hops away from 60. So underline the digit that we're rounding to. Look next door. If it's 5 or higher, which it is, you add one more. So this becomes a 7. And everything behind that is a 0. So it would round up to 70. Okay, now we're going to look at rounding to the nearest 100. So I want you to do the number 300, I'm going to write it over here, 67. So since I'm asking you to round to the nearest 100, there should be 100 jumps between here.